hear me. But yeah, we're looking for a cab right now. It is like 1 something. We have reservations at 2. Trying to make that, so. Oh, we have reservations at 12:30, but we told them if we can get there at 2 because we didn't land like 1 something. So we're trying to hurry up and get there right now.
Someone to pick you up when you're feeling down, feeling lonely. Somebody who can make it better. Somebody who can open all those gates. Open all those gates to your heart. Only if I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd and you know where to be from as they sing along. I say you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face, I see you looking for peace. I see you tired of the hurt, tired of the pain, tired of the nights where you can't get no sleep. I see you tired thinking about if you cheat. See you tired thinking about if you're leaving. See you tired of being so tired.
Come on, what's going on? Thank you. Ooh. It's so pretty.
I do that 3 more times again. I testify of you. I'm so that like you, that bitch. I do it all. I won't promise get it. I'm not long if you joking now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinny do it. I your body as long as you dreaming about me. Ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I get lost when I'm with you.
Just like the text I sent you from bed tonight.
Thank you. This is our breakfast for this morning. We got fruits.
Seems like I can't get away from you. Broken hearts were made for 2, I guess. And it's so confusing, finding the right ways to express. Being love, it's a fear, it's a drug we do, I guess. An addiction we won't admit. Oh, baby, you should know this. I ain't going. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. I wasn't going. I know you know this not change, but I'll be the one that always, always and forever. Seems like I can't get away from you. Broken hearts were made for 2, I guess. And it's so confusing, finding the right ways to express. Being love, it's a fear, it's a drug we do, I guess. An addiction we won't admit. Oh, baby, you should know this. I ain't going. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. I wasn't going.
Hey guys, it is day 3 in Curacao. I know this vlog is literally all over the place. That's literally because we've been all over the place since we got here. So I know this vlog is not the best, but we moved. I'm gonna give you guys our room tour. Not right now because our room is a little dirty. So when they come in here and clean up, I'll give you guys a room tour. So I'm about to get ready and do my skincare routine and just put something on real quick because we are going to a spa, get a massage, and then we're doing like this whole day, I don't even know what to call it, like this day thing they have, and just like chill and have breakfast and stuff. I'm looking for the toothpaste, the hell? But I freaking love Curaçao. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this is like top tier of my favorite place to visit. I'm definitely gonna visit again. It's so nice, so peaceful. The people here are so nice, are super duper nice and friendly, and like 10 out of 10, like literally 10 out of 10. So yeah, I'm gonna just gonna brush my teeth and do my skincare and stuff. So you guys can get ready with me for the day because I feel like today is more of like our chill day. I'm so sorry. Today's more like of a slow, chill day, so I'm gonna try to actually vlog as much as I can. So let me just get ready, hop in the shower, and then I'll talk to you guys when I'm about to get dressed. Okay, so I just finished getting ready. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing. We're just going to a spa, so I just have on this bathing suit from Fashion Nova and these pants from Zara. So I don't know if you can see that because the window is right there, but this is what I'm wearing. And then we're gonna come back and go to this ocean club thing. So yeah, about to have a nice massage, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hi guys, welcome to my room tour. So first of all, we are staying at the Kontiki Beach Resort here in Curaçao. The people here are so nice. It's a beautiful small island. I think it's a Caribbean island next to the Netherlands. I believe so. Don't quote me on that. But I'm going to show you guys my room tour real quick. So first, when you walk into the hotel, you see this beautiful shower. Looks like basically the bathroom area. You see the sink. You know, they have the mirror so you do your makeup and stuff. They give us this cute little Stand Towel 33 bottles, real bougie, and it smells so nice. So I'm definitely gonna buy some of that when I get home. And then on this side of the shower, we have like our coffee machine, our tea machine, and then our teas. If you wanna make some teas, we got alcohol if you wanna like drink up. And then we also have our mini fridge. It's not stocked up right here because I've been in here. We got the Grey Goose. We got the Black Label. We got all those. We got the, what's this, Patron. And then also right here is our toilet, bathroom. And then we also have 2 closets. And back out here, we have our mirror, you know, just in case you want to take some outfit pics. Real cute, real cute. And then they were so kind in this resort. They decorated our bed for us. It says happy birthday. And then they also did this cute little balloon tied by the light for us. And then we also have this TV in case you want to watch any YouTube videos, subscribe. Want to listen to music, we have a TV right here. And then we also have like a sitting area. And then I forgot, back out here we have this makeup station. you want to stay here and do your makeup, you can. And the last part, my favorite part, is this outdoor balcony. We have our pool here. They also give us a bed. You want to lay down and just soak it in. What did I say before?
The beautiful views of Curaçao.
Okay. And then you also get to see the beautiful view of Curaçao. We're right by the beach, so you get to see that as well.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your condo lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no big kill my vibe.
We have like lounge chairs. We're gonna lay down, soak in the sun. We also have our dining table too as well if you wanna eat breakfast while you look at the view. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.